The problem we have in the state is that 11 persons said they will control the resources of Rivers State. Una go agree? Una go agree? These 11 persons now called another 20-something persons and said, Wurinka, Jinka, take this one. I don't collect my own. Una go agree? And we have told them, you can be 20-something, but Rivers people, we are in our millions. Not be so? This local government, we gathered and voted 2 assembly members, Queen Williams and Edison Ehie. Now 2 of us go remove governor for now. Can 2 of us remove the governor? We must come to you. Governor has done wrong. What do you think? You sit down and you want to remove a governor of the most powerful economic state in Nigeria. What that governor will teach you, you will learn a lesson in your life.
How many that why we don't go with them? How many that why we don't go with them? How many that why we don't go with them? How many that why we don't go with them? How many that why we don't go with them? How many that how many that.
When the law will speak, gangsterism will keep quiet. Don't be so. I would ease people. The law has spoken. May I present to you the man I handed over to. Your son, who is about to bring rapid development to you. Me, your son. You know I grew up from the street. Me and you, community, village, short knicker. I have been member. I have been leader. I have been deputy speaker. And I have been speaker. Let me show you the man who I handed over to. Right Rebel, Oko, Victor, Jumbo.
Oh yeah, day. Make a day, my day. Nobody worry Fubara. Nobody worry Fubara. Oh day. Make a day. Nobody worry Fubara.
Thank you. Let me show you those who are representing us with, there's a difference between integrity and integrity. You know so? Let me show you integrity. The Right Rebel B.S. Emenengwa representing Ikwere Emowa Federal Constituency. Greet your people, sir.
Simplify movement! Simplify movement! Rivers State! This is electrifying. This is volcanic eruption that I'm seeing here today. It's awesome. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you for supporting our governor. God bless you all. Thank you very much.
Let me show you the woman capacity, Iron Lady, woman of God, a woman like you. It shows that every young girl here can be better tomorrow. She is a member of the Federal House of Representatives. She is representing Asare Toro, Akoko Toro Federal House of Representatives. Honorable Boma Goodhead.
Simplified women, simplified youth. How would are you simplified? We thank God for giving us this victory. And we also thank God for bringing you people out to vote for the governor of Rivers State. And here we are to give all glory to God. And we'll continue to be like this because this is an organic crowd. It's an unprecedented crowd. And we are so happy that coming to Hawuda, we are seeing that you people love the governor. They said we did not have structure. Who are the structure? Who are the structure? Can anybody take you to anywhere else? Let Nigerians see for themselves those that were bragging that they have structure. Are you not the structure? Are you not organic? So we are proudly simplified, unapologetically simplified, loyally simplified, and will continue to follow the governor of Rivers State, Sir Sim Joseph Similaye Fubara. Thank you, and God bless you all.
I get another friend where also the House of Representatives, where they represent Okrika, Ogubolo Federal House of Representatives. My own man, Honorable Alison Anderson Ebe.
Simplify movement. Simplify movement. Rivers first.
Simplify movement.
Thank you, everyone. I thank you. My reasons of thanking is this. Some of us think that money can buy conscience. Rivers has proven to them money cannot buy our conscience. We are Rivers people. We are not slaves. It is only in the north you see one Aboki Alaji who gather crowd and feed them. The Rivers people are too civilized for that. Even in the colonial days, we did not go for slave trade. Not now. We cannot go. Simplify movement. Thank you and God bless you.
Finally, let me introduce another. They say we no get people. You see, House of Reps, House of Reps, House of Reps. The person they represent Port Harcourt City local government. Honorable Manuchim Owazurike.
Yeah, baby desire. Yeah, baby desire. Yeah, baby desire. Yeah, baby desire. My son of God, only you are my help. Say when I call, you answer me. You lift me up, my son of God, only you are my help. Edwemba.
Ahudo cho. Oh cho. My name is Honorable Manuchim Umezurike. I'm the survivor of Labour Party in the last election. The only one survivor of Labour Party in the last election. Ahuda is I greet you. This crowd here tells me that we have Ahuda East, Ahuda West, Ahuda North, Ahuda South, and Ahuda Central. The crowd is too much. The crowd is too much. You must agree with me that we have GDI here. They are all simplified. PDP here all simplified. Labour Party here all simplified. Obedient here all simplified. OPC all simplified. WC. Oh, sorry, WC no follow. Let me hand over the mic back to the handsome terrorist. His paper got to me in Abuja, I should sign so they'll crucify him. When I saw the passport, I said, no, this man is too handsome to be a terrorist. No, you don't tell me this man alone burnt down the state assembly. No, I won't sign. This man is too handsome to be a terrorist. I agree, Yahuda. Talk to your son.
Yeah, Ben desire. Yeah, Ben desire. Yeah, Ben desire. Yeah, Ben desire. My son of God, only you are my
Ahuda East is the headquarters of Orashi. Don't be so. I want to stand here on behalf of our leaders. They are here to apologize to our father and our mother. Sir, Dr. Peter Otunaya Odele, and our mother, Mary Odele, retired Justice of the Supreme Court of Nigeria. They are our own. Regrettably, we heard that they are now referred to as one man and One man as an on agree? On agree? Your Excellency, the former governor of Rivers State, on whose foundation all of us are building structure. You say Amechio, Omehia, Wike, Fubara, everybody is building their structure on whose foundation? On whose foundation? As the headquarters of Orashi, never we reject that statement credited to our leader, our grandfather, our general. We stand with the Odilis family. We know the impact you made in our lives politically in Rivers State. You are not one man, one. Not be so. You are the hero of Rivers State. You are the natural leader of Rivers State. Fubara is the political leader of if you don't like it.